Welcome back RK Learning Cat friends. I am going to start SolidWorks. So this is the 3D design software. So let's start. So friends, here I have opened SolidWorks. So here you can see menu bar have. Here I have quick access toolbar. Okay. So we will very know. So friends, first we have to create new drawing. Okay. So I will go and you can see here new Control plus N. So you can click this option, otherwise you can press Ctrl plus N key with keyboard, otherwise you can click these options. Okay, here I have new. So when we create new documents, friends, you can see our SolidWorks divided in three parts. That is part, that is assembly, that is drawing. So part means if we want to design anything, just like part design, just like surface design, just like mold design, build design, surface design. So any kind of design if we want to create, so we can go in part design. Okay. Now we have already generated more parts and I want to assemble, so we can go in assembly. Now we have created part, we have created assembly. Now we have to create 2D drawings, that one using as a manufacturing. So we use here going drawing tab. So we can go drawing. Okay. Now you can go advanced. You can see same here option given have, so no need to go. Okay. So here more template given have, so you can go novice. Now here we select part design. So because we have to start it from sketching and part design, sheet metal, so every time we need to design first, so we can go in part design. So select here OK. Okay. So when you click OK, you can see here this type screen box visible. So friends, first we know which location which given have. After that we can understand. So this area you can call the menu bar. Okay. So if you don't want to see this menu bar, so you can click this unpin button. Okay, so this is the menu bar. After that this is the quick access toolbar. Okay, now this is the drawing area. Title bar we can call this one. After that is the command search bar, so you can search any command. Suppose we type here ext, so you ext names this or much command available have. Okay, so you can search here any command if you don't find this area. After that you can see here this to this area total we called ribbon bar. Okay, so in this ribbon, this one we call tab, and this tab going, so different here see block have, so that is called panel. So in ribbon bar tab and panels available have. Okay, so if you want to activate deactivate any tab, so we can click here, right click, and we can go here tabs. So which tab you don't need, you can click this one. Suppose feature no need, so we can uncheck feature. Again need, right click, go to tabs, and we can click here, so feature coming. Same way if you want to activate any toolbar, so we can go here more toolbar here, so you can activate any toolbar. Okay, so toolbar no need friends, because all command here given have. So if you need, you can activate this way. Same here, enable art command manager. If we click this one, so this way coming, so means that is no visible. Okay, again go enable command manager, so you can activate it. So that means you need this one, so you can activate. If no need, so you can deactivate it. Use large button with text. If you this one checked, so you'll see only symbol visible. If you want to large button and name coming, so this one used. Now we can call this one feature manager tree. Okay, so in this feature manager, this is the part design tree, feature manager design tree, that is a properties manager tree, this is the configuration tree, same like this one dim expert manager, this is the display manager. So here different manager have. This is separate called feature manager tree. Now this is called work screen. Okay, this is the view control bar. Okay, so view control bar, view toolbar you can see. Now this is the design library. Okay, so other thing that is called. Now downside you can see here status bar have, motion study bar have. So this one all we where from we can activate and deactivate. Okay, so you can go here view, you can see here full screen. If you want to full screen your display, you want full screen, so you can press F11 or function key plus F11. So if I click this option, so you can see my screen full coming. Okay, if I again go, otherwise F11 press, otherwise function key plus F11, so this one coming. Again go to view, you can see user interface, feature manager tree area. If you press F9, so that is hide. So here uncheck this option, you can see feature manager tree hide have. If you press Fn plus F, friends, you can see this shortcut not working in my laptop. If you have keyboard, so you can use this toolbar shortcuts. So you can go user interface, this one can activate it. Same way, user interface, here we can activate toolbar F10 key, task pane. So you see this is side coming, this is called task pane. If you need, so you can activate, otherwise no need, so none. Now you see here motion manager tree downside have. So if you want to activate, deactivate, so you can go, you can activate motion manager tree. So you see motion is to be this sliding. If you have, no have, you can activate, deactivate. Okay, downside here we can see status bar hai, so you can activate status. Okay friends, now here zoom to fit have and previous control shift plus G have. So okay, now here some basic shortcuts. You can press Control plus L, Control plus O, open for, close Control plus W, save for Control plus S, save as for Control plus K. These shortcuts you can generate, and this one. Okay friends, so here we have feature manager tree, 3 planes. If you want to start work, so you can select any datum plane. Now this 2 datum plane hide condition hai. If you want to permanent show, so control key 3 datum plane select and this I please, that is the show. So means friends, this way always datum plane show. Okay, so better we can hide, control key again select and unhide. So if you want to work start, so you can select datum plane and here have sketch mode. So here sketch, 3D sketch on plane. So we have 3 options, but now this time we using only sketch. So when I click sketch, you can see here red color 1, 2 arrow coming, that is called origin. So your screen 00 this location hai. Okay, so when I click screen, you can see datum plane hide have. So if I create here something, you can see we can create a sketch. And if you want to cancel the command, so you can click this button, otherwise you can press escape 1 time or 2 times. Now you can see here how to zoom in, zoom out. So when I scroll up and down, forward, backward, so this is zoom in, zoom out coming. Okay, so if you want to pan, so control key and scroll key 1 time press, so we can shift this screen, we can pan this screen. If you press control scroll key and mouse rotate, so that is called orbit. Okay, so this is the friends 1 options. So if you want to control plus mouse 4 direction key, left, right, up and down press, that is the pan coming. If you press shift plus direction key, so that is the rotate coming. Okay, same here if you want to zoom in, suppose this is too much zoom hai, if you want to fit, so you can press left key, otherwise you can click this. Suppose too much zoom out hai, if you want to adjust, so 1 time click this button, otherwise you can press F key. So this is the zoom, you select and drag frame, so this is zoom. Again if you want to zoom out or fit, so you can press F key. Okay, so friends, in this video only this one I have explained some user interface and some basic important shortcuts. So next video I will explain a sketching tool friends. So please subscribe RK Learning Guide. You will support us, support me. So I have more experience. I will teach many softwares from of my YouTube channels. So you can learn without pay any charges. You have to do only friends subscribe my channel and share video with your friends and like video also. Your likes, 1 like, it will be very help me friends. So have a nice day.